Happy Monday, everyone!
Magandang araw, magandang gabi, magandang tanghali, saan mang sulok kayo ng lupalop ng mundo.
Sulok na lupalop.
Sulok na lupalupa.
So, it's us again, June and Shine from NC, USA. Sasabihin ko sana NC North Carolina.
NCAA.
Masyado nang redundant.
Hindi ko NCAA.
So, kumusta naman po ang araw natin? We hope everything is well with us. So, tonight, we will dive into something we often overlook but has a huge impact on our lives.
Yan.
Our self-talk.
Oh.
Diba? Kasi the words we say to ourselves can either hold us back, or propel us forward.
Hindi naman yan yung parang nagsasalita ka mag-isa.
Hindi naman yun. Ano yun? Sakit sa pag-iisip yun. Ito is like how our words kumbaga kung ano natin siya, kumbaga if you change your word, you change your life. Diba? So, syempre, it is really crucial why self-talk, yun nga, kung bakit siya napaka-importante kasi it leads usually to success, it gives you the right mindset, and syempre, it gives you the confidence that you want to achieve. Diba? Kasi we may not realize it, but the most important conversation we have is with ourselves. Diba? What we say in our minds shapes how we feel, how we act, and the results we get. Diba? So magandang topic talaga to kasi we often forget about this. Like, kasi ang nangyayari, most of the time, mas iniisip natin yung sasabihin ng ibang tao sa atin.
Oh.
Diba? Totoo, hindi?
Totoo yun.
Oh, diba?
Ano yun? Human nature yun.
So, right now, we will be talking about self-talk, diba? So, what is self-talk? So, it is the internal dialogue we have throughout the day. So, ano-ano ba yung self-talk na yon? Meron tayong tinatawag na positive self-talk at saka negative self-talk. Diba? So, ano yung negative? So, nega muna tayo. So, yun yung mga bagay na sinasabi na, I can't do this, I'm not good enough. Diba? And then, yung sa positive naman, I'll try my best, I can learn and grow. Yeah. So, if you can see the difference between the two, it's really far, diba? Yung words na can and can't, except for the spelling, diba? Ang laki ng difference nilang dalawa talaga. So, how are we going to, how self-talk shapes our mindset? So, usually, ang negative self-talk, yung katulad nung na-mention ko kanina, yung I can't do this, it usually damages our confidence, it increases stress, and, you know, keep us stuck, kung napapansin nyo. Diba? Whereas, pagka positive naman, syempre, it fosters resilience, diba? Motivation, and the belief in yourself. So, diba, by definition, talagang sobrang anlaki ng difference nung dalawa about how you are going to express yourself and how are you going to, kumbaga, yung mindset shifting ng the way you will say it, diba?
Malaking bagay yan. Natutunan ko yan nung mag-start ako na lumipat ako ng ibang department from retail to from operations to retail, and then to management level. Yan yung pagka merong mga enhancements, yung mga merong improvements na kailangan gawin. Siyempre, meeting kayo, lalapitan ka ng amo mo. Is this doable? Can we do Can we do like this? Can we do like that? Ang isang bagay na natutunan ko, before you even say no, make sure na tinignan mo lahat ng angulo before even saying no. Kasi once you say no, it's not only reflecting a negative side, but nakikita ng amo yung kahinaan. Kasi hindi naman magtatanong sa'yo kung hindi ka, kumbaga, kung hindi ka capable or kung hindi ka knowledgeable sa isang bagay. Lalo na kung higher ups ang nagtanong sa'yo. Meaning, dalawang bagay yun. May either sinusubukan ka niya or either alam na nila yung sagot na po pwede naman talaga, pero nasa sa'yo yun kung paano mo siya sila sasagutin. So, the best thing is, siguro sagutin mo lang na I will see, let me think about it, let me do an study about it, and let me explore the possibilities. So, in that way, proactive ang dating.
Kasi nga, our thoughts become our reality, di ba? If we keep saying we can't, we're setting ourselves up to fail, di ba?
At saka, binibigyan mo na ng limitation. Right there and then.
But if we can, but if we say we can, we open the doors to possibilities, di ba? So, how are we going to recognize negative self-thought? So, unang-una, actually may mga common patterns yan eh. So, unang pattern is all or nothing thinking. So, ano yun? So, ito yung usually sinasabi natin na I failed, so I am a total failure. Diba? All or nothing. Yun yung palaging usually nasasabi natin yung kumbaga, wala na, palpak na eh, di sira na. Diba? Usually yun yung mga yun yung mga thinking natin. And then another common patterns of that is yung personalizing. So yung personalizing, ito yun yung mga examples niyan is yung like, it's my fault, kaya things went wrong. Diba? Sounds familiar yung mga gantong bagay, but it happens. It happens all the time that actually we're not conscious enough to know that it's really happening, that we are having this negative self-talk with ourselves, diba? And then there's another common pattern which is the catastrophizing, diba? Kumbaga, example dyan is this is the worst thing ever, diba? Yun yung mga naririnig natin na parang may nangyari lang, sasabihin, yun nga yung sasabihin na parang, ito na yung pinaka-worst na nangyari sa buhay ko, yung mga ganung bagay.
Naalala ko tuloy yung mga kasama ko dati sa Abu Dhabi, mga Arabo lalo na, this is unacceptable. Yung mga ganung reaction.
Oh, di ba? So, catastrophizing yun. Yun yung mga common patterns ng negative self-thought. So, how are we going to replace a negative self-thought with empowering statements? So, siguro, one tip that we can share with that is yung awareness, di ba? We just have to notice the negative thought itself, di ba? And then also, we need to challenge ourselves. Ask yourself, like, is this really true? Like, how else can I look at this?
Yun. At the back of your mind while you're telling that, syempre, iniisip mo, sigurado ba yun? Parang hindi eh. Parang may mali. Parang may solusyon naman.
Oo. And then, syempre, next will be replace. So, swap it with an empowering statement. So, how are you going to do that? Diba? Katulad nung sinabi ko kanina, yung I can't handle this. Why not say, I am learning to manage this step by step?
Yun.
Diba? Or, instead of saying, I am always messed up, I'm doing my best. And I think that's enough. Diba? it's just a way of how we are turning
A negative
a
thought.
negative thought into positive.
Mhm.
Di ba? So, actually, ano lang naman kumbaga, I know it is not easy to do that kasi usually, ano na yan kumbaga part na ng, yung part ng human nature na may ganong thinking, di ba? Kumbaga, siguro, let's just practice yung way on how to turn the positive thought, the negative to positive thought. Like, step by step, di ba? Kumbaga, ano lang, kailangan lang natin na talagang isipin ng maigi na yung positive self-thought is something na magbe-benefit ka. Kasi nga, di ba, sinabi nga nung, I don't know if you're aware with Proverbs 23 verse 7, as a man thinks in his heart, so is he. So kung ano yung nasa puso mo, kung ano yung sinasabi ng bibig mo, ikaw yun. So if you keep on saying negative things like, I cannot do this, I will not be successful, I will not reach my goal, then you will not.
Yun na, kasi you are putting an end to it and you are limiting yourself to what you can.
And then, syempre, let us just, kumbaga, just to summarize it, let's just remember that the words we say to ourselves really matter, di ba? So, speak to yourself like you would like to speak to someone you love.
Yun.
Di ba? Kumbaga, kung gusto mong parang, di ba may mga tao kang mahal, kumbaga, kung paano mo sila sabihan ng magagandang salita, it's also for you to say those things sa sarili mo. Di ba? Kasi nga sabi nga nila, your mind is a powerful thing. Napaka-powerful ng utak natin, yung mind natin. So, when you fill it with positive thoughts, your life will start to change. Totoo yun.
Totoo po.
Oo, walang kumbaga, sabi nga nila, it always starts in the mind. And
subconscious.
Subconscious or conscious mind, it's all in the mind. Diba? So I think yun lang yung talagang pinaka kumbaga pinaka point nung discussion natin na if you really want to change your life, you just have to change your words and the way you speak to yourself, diba? Always give yourself appreciation, appreciate yourself by verbalizing it. Kasi 'di ba sabi nga nila words are powerful. Apart from the mind. So kung ano yung sinasabi ng bibig natin. Kaya nga 'di ba sabi nila be careful what you
say, what you utter.
What you utter kasi it may make or break someone. Diba?
Sa mga bata, pagka malikot yung bata, umaakit sa hagdanan, mahulog ka dyan! So, pero ang gusto mong mangyari is takutin sila, na natatakot kasi para sa kanila na baka mahulog sila. Ang nasabi mo, mahulog ka dyan. Nagulat yung bata, nahulog.
So let's just be careful with the words that we are saying, di ba? Like katulad nga na mention namin, like speak kindness, speak love to yourself the way you want kumbaga the way you want yourself na kumbaga kung paano mo itrato yung ibang tao, dapat ganun din sa sarili mo. I think nasabi ko na lahat. Ikaw, may mga ka pa ba?
Well, words are powerful, sabi nga nila. And kaya nga, tagubilin din yun ni Lord. Sabi niya, bless each other, pray for each other. Say good things. Pansinin niyo yung mga Arabo. Sa Islamic countries especially, napansin ko yon kahit na usually galit na sila, merong encounter. Hindi sila yung mismong makikipagkumprontahan. Babati at babati yan. Assalamualaikum. Kung ano yung mga salita nila, masyalhal, shale, blah, 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 blah. Words of ano yun, parang saying good things to each other.
Kahit nagalit
na sila. Then, after ng greetings na yun, at saka sila mag-uumpisang magdiskusyon, ilalabas na nila yung galit nila, bakit ganon, bakit ganito. Pero, hindi nila nakakaligtaan yung tagubilin sa kanila na greet each other, bless each other, pray for each other. Ganon.
So, dapat kumbaga, I know it is hard na, kumbaga, i-practice yung ganung bagay. But, yun na, sabi nga nila, di ba, practice makes perfect. So, why not, kumbaga, practice it one thought at a time. Di ba? One positive thought at a time. Instead of saying, I cannot do this, I will try to learn.
Yun, mas maganda yun.
I will try to learn it step by step, 'di ba? Malaking difference 'yon, malaking kumbaga mas malaki yung mararating mo kung ganun yung magiging thinking mo. 'Di ba? Proactive, oo. Kumbaga proactive lang tayo. So,
kayo po ba? Ano po ba ang ginagawa ninyo or sinasabi nyo sa sarili nyo, especially whenever you are in a unpleasant situation, or meron kayong nakainitan ng ulo, or meron kayong medyo hindi magandang nagawa or palpak na nagawa sa trabaho, everyday life, pakishare po sa ating comment. Para naman
kung parang mas maganda yata siguro kung kung ito yung ibibigay nating assignment sa kanila. Please comment down below your negative thought. And
self-thought.
Negative self-thought, and we will try to turn it into positive one sa comment. Parang mas maganda yun, diba? Mas interactive yun. So, hihintayin po namin ang comment, negative self-thought, negative self-talk nyo, siguro for the past few days or few weeks, kung ano lang yung natatandaan yung nakapag negative self-talk kayo, and then check namin sa comment section, and we will try to make it into positive thought. Kasi usually, ang tawag dito, yung practice na ganyan is like, pag dumating yung time na sasabihin mo na naman yung negative self-talk na yon, balikan mo ulit yung replay nito, and then try to say it, yung positive positive self-talk na in relation to the negative self-talk na nilagay mo sa comment section. Then, just try it to, to practice it. Para instead of saying, I cannot do this, I will try to learn these things step by step. Yung mga ganun na mga bagay. So, hihintayin namin yung comment nyo, and then mag-enjoy tayo dito. So, maraming salamat po. Ate Nerissa, thank you for watching. Mag-watch ka ng ate, replay, para dun sa comment na, yung parang interactive interactive activity. So, maraming salamat po. Hintayin namin yung comments nyo. And good night po.
God bless everyone.
God bless everyone.